Tired of wearing the same boring jerseys? Now create your own custom jersey with your name and number. With Nextprint, you can design your own jersey in a few clicks. Choose your style and add your details and even see a live preview before ordering. Whether it's for cricket, football, or your full team, we make it easy for everyone. And if you need help or want to place a bulk order, just WhatsApp us on 79755 Our jerseys are made with high quality, breathable fabric and long lasting print, giving you both comfort and a professional look, and it's perfect for personal use or full team orders. So, don't just wear a jersey, wear your identity. Visit nextprint.in or message us on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is